Hi everyone, how you doing?
How's your open house going?
It's pretty nice. We had a lot of people coming today.
Okay.
So it's a good day.
So yeah, why don't you walk us through?
All right, yeah, definitely. All right, so I'm about to give you guys a tour of a four-bedroom, three full bath, one half.
Okay.
Sitting down on over 4,000 square footage.
Okay.
So welcome in, guys. So on my left-hand side here, it's a formal living area that you could convert to anything you want, like an office space, depending on what you want to use it for. So this is the dining area as well, you know.
I love the columns too.
Oh yeah, definitely. So from here, we have the we have a closet right here, for hanging your coats and things like that.
I love the flooring. That you got
Yeah.
like the hard floors.
Yep. So you have a half bath here as well. So here is the family area, and this is a brand new hardwood floors,
Okay.
you know.
And where does this door lead to?
So this door actually leads to the garage, a two-car garage,
Okay.
as you can see, and also well insulated.
Okay.
Yep. So this is the kitchen.
Okay.
You have the marble countertop, gas.
This is information I need.
Yes, sir. Yep. A double sink. You have the stainless refrigerator.
Yeah, and I like that they have so much recessed lighting in this
Oh
space
yeah,
as
definitely.
well. So it's well lit.
So when it comes to lighting, like this is a good, it has a lot of lighting in this area right here.
Okay.
So
And I like this morning room area here as well.
yep. And from here you can see the backyard,
Yes.
very spacious as well.
I love that. The backyard is quite, I like that it's a little bit private.
Definitely.
Sorry.
So this is the deck.
Yeah, and this is
You
a
know,
low maintenance deck as well.
definitely.
So it's easy to maintain.
Yeah, definitely. So you have the large backyard, you can set up your fireplace depending on what you want to do.
Okay.
So there's also an egress right here.
Okay. So you can come
You can walk up, instead of going through the front door, you can come to the side and walk to the basement.
Okay.
Okay, so let me give you a tour of the basement.
Yep.
Right, so we have a large basement. So you have a closet here,
Okay.
And also the recessed lighting,
Yeah.
extra light,
Yeah.
you know. So you have this extra space, you could convert it to anything you want to, like an office space, playroom for the
You can
kids.
make a bar down here.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So you have this unfinished room that you can actually convert to anything you want, like the gym. You can convert it to an extra office space, a storage. Depending on what you want to use it for.
Okay.
So we have a full bathroom on this floor as well.
Okay.
So this is the full bathroom.
This closet, you have like under the steps, storage space.
Storage
too.
space,
You kinda
extra
put some
storage.
Stuff, yeah,
Yep.
games and blankets
For the
and
kids.
extra things there. Yeah.
Yep. So this is a full bathroom for the basement. So extra storage space. So the good thing about this property is like you have a lot of spaces you can use for anything you want to use for.
Okay.
So you convert this to a gym. You can convert it to a storage area, depending on what you want to use it for. So you don't have anything to worry about.
Okay.
When it comes to the heating and the water.
Okay.
All right. So let me take you to the upper floor where we have the 4-bedroom.
Okay.
So on the upper floor, we have 4-bedroom, 1 full bath, and 2 full bath actually, because we have a full bathroom in the master bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the master bedroom. Very spacious.
Okay.
Can fit in king size bed, And you have a 2 walk-in closet. You also have extra space.
Yeah. Like I know sometimes I see people put like vases and
Yeah.
different decorative things up there.
You know,
So you could do that.
do that. This is a walk-in closet as well. Pretty spacious. And you also have another closet here. So this is the full bathroom. You have the standing shower, you have a bathtub, you have a double sink, you know. And the good thing about this house is like most of the woods are like hardwoods. They're
Yes.
not regular,
Yeah.
you know,
You
wood,
don't have to worry about too much flooring.
too much flooring and
If somebody has allergies,
yep.
you have some hard floors.
Okay, so on your left-hand side, we have the laundry room,
Okay.
laundry,
Okay.
second bedroom, and you also have a walk-in closet for this bedroom as well. Okay, let's go to the third bedroom. So this is a linen closet.
Okay.
You have this full bathroom as well for the 3 other rooms. Then this is the third bedroom. You have the closet here as well. Okay. So the last bedroom is right here. And also pretty large closet for the bedroom. So guys, this will bring me to the end of my tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah,
And thank you so much.
Yeah, and I love that you have like the 2-story foyer.
Yeah, definitely. You know,
The chandelier. This is awesome.
definitely.
I know that this house is definitely going to sell, right? You guys
Oh
have
yeah.
had quite a bit of people here.
Yeah, we have over 12 people that came already, and you know, we're going to be in a multiple offer situation. So